held a blessing today for a new fuel dock at Lahaina Harbor, so West Maui boaters no longer need to go all the way to Maalaea to fill up. Pacific West Fuels, which first installed a fuel dock there in 1989, says it spent about $750,000 ripping out the fire-damaged equipment and replacing it. The new fuel station is set to reopen tomorrow. A big help for mariners who've been motoring 17 miles to the south to get gas for the past year.
It's an enormous financial burden for us to have to go down to Lahaina Harbor to refuel our boats. What it costs us in burning fuel to go down there and what it costs us in labor has been a really big lift. So the reopening of this fuel dock is huge for our industry, and it's a great first step in the rebuilding of Lahaina.
This is just one of many projects that have to be completed before the harbor can reopen. The timeline for that is still uncertain.